This lesson is going to be all about eyes. We're going to draw dragon eyes.
I'm not talking about dragonfly eyes. I'm not even talking about a bearded dragon eyes. Did you know there was a mountain horn dragon? Not talking about him. Or a Komodo dragon? Still not talking about him. I'm talking about the real thing, the flying, fire-breathing dragon. That's what we're going to draw. Dragons are mythological creatures found in artworks, stories, and legends. No one really knows where the legends and the stories of the dragons came from. Dragons are usually described as huge, gigantic reptile, lizard-like creatures. Some are shown with green scales and wings and red eyes. There's all different kinds of dragons. When you're drawing your dragon, I want you to focus on just the dragon's eye.